What's good, man? You already know what it is, man. We on this young Dolph trial, man. What's going on in Memphis right now, man? But before we get into it, man, make sure y'all hit that like button. Let's push this up to 100 likes and get this out in the algorithms, man. And if you ain't part of the squad, if you ain't part of the ruler gang, what you waiting on? Hit that subscribe button and join the gang, man. Now, at the end of the day, man, it's been a lot of twists and turns in this young Dolph case. A lot of people's names have been mentioned in this that may or may not have had nothing to do with it. I believe from the beginning, though, that the Memphis Police Department put a lot of information out there that got a lot of people accused, and some may or may not have had anything to do with it. Some people then got knocked down. Other people then fled the scene, right? Now, I just did a video last week where I was talking about Hernandez Govan and Jamarcus Johnson going to court. Now, Jamarcus Johnson is the stepbrother of Justin Johnson, a.k.a. Straight Drop. Now, he didn't already plead guilty. In the new article that was released today, they saying he facing 6 to 12. He cooperating, though. And we already know Hernandez Govan is out. He been doing whatever he wanted to do. City to city, state to state, taking trips and all kind of stuff. Out on a $90,000 bond. Now, I watched the interview that Dolph's old lady did, and she said that the family really found out about that through the internet. But if you look in the articles and what the press release said, it claims that the prosecutors actually reached out to Dolph's family, and Dolph's family had no issue with them letting him out because they understood what they was trying to do. What do that mean? What that mean? Y'all, they understood what we trying to do. Well, what is y'all trying to do? What's going on? At the same time, though, we got the trial coming up, so we thought, March 11th. And those two were supposed to come back as co-defendants. Now, they just said they had, at that time, they had no indication that they were going to have to testify because they probably hoping that Justin Johnson and them take a deal. But with that being said, Hernandez Govan's lawyer stated that his client wouldn't get his affairs in order until after the trial, which leads me to believe that he taking a deal, and I've been saying it the whole time. Now today, in the news article that was just released, they trying to push the court date back yet again to June. Now, this is crazy because the family possibly is going to have to wait almost 3 years to get some type of justice for Dolph. Now, I don't know if they're pushing it back based on, they don't think that he can get a fair trial because it was very vague. They really didn't say, right? But at the end of the day, they want either the trial to be moved to another county. This is what the judge said today in court, February 2nd. They either want the trial to be moved to another county in Memphis, or they want them to pull the jury out of a county and bring it to Shelby County. Now, with them asking for that, it definitely sets this up for him to have grounds for an appeal if he's convicted by a Shelby County jury. Now, I'm not saying they will grant him the appeal. I'm saying it'll be grounds to file the appeal, stating that he didn't get a fair trial. On top of that, you already got this situation where the judge did something to Justin Johnson that basically went against his rights, and he didn't have to get recused from the actual trial, the actual case. Is Memphis purposely trying to fumble this, or are they purposely trying to mess up this? Because to me, a lot of the stuff is kind of open and shut when you say that they got stacks on stacks on stacks of wiretaps. They got proof that they were actually trying to do this since June, prior to November, prior to Dolph getting knocked down in 2021. You got all of this evidence that you claim that you got. But yet still y'all doing everything to try to help these individuals get up out of this situation. Now, I'm not hating, and I'd rather street justice happen than in a court of law, but I'm not his family member. I'm pretty sure his family members want justice any way that they can get it. And since they got the people who accordingly did this to Dolph, and I'm pretty sure the family believes that these are the people that did this, they want justice. But it look like the Memphis legal system is doing everything in their power to fumble the conviction. Why is that? Why is that? You got a guy, Shondell Barnett, who's all the way in, where is he at, in Texas, who y'all claim y'all had a warrant out for, who y'all claim y'all wanted, who y'all claim that was a part of this whole entire thing, who y'all claim did certain things after the fact, who's not in jail. We ain't seen him go to court or nothing. Like, is it even true that y'all even looking for him at this point? It's a lot of weird stuff going on in this case in Memphis. Now, I believe that the reason why they treating the big Jook case the way that they treating it, not giving up no information, nothing, because think about this. The days after, it was like every day or every couple of days after Dolph passed, more information was coming out about who they thought did it. I mean, they was putting all kind of people that ain't even in jail for it. People that ain't even in jail for it. You know what I mean? Like, person of interest. This person is a person of interest. We think this person has something to do with it. We think this person has something to do with it, right? Y'all remember? Y'all remember? A couple people allegedly got picked up. So, with that being said, maybe that's why they handling the big Jook case the way that they handle it. Because think about it. CEO Teasy was a person of interest. We see what happened to him. You feel what I'm saying? Some people was running. Person of interest running. And just happened to have a warrant. And got picked up for something else. And we still haven't heard about, okay, if he was a person of interest, like y'all got him, he in jail, he in the county, what's going on now? It's a lot of weird stuff going on in this. And then how is the mastermind out on a $90,000 bond is beyond me. That lets me know that he's telling. But if I'm thinking that he's telling, there's other people that's thinking about he's telling. Who's to say that Govan is even going to make it to trial by June? It's crazy, y'all. But get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this, man. I believe that they about to, I mean, even, I ain't saying they ain't going to get a conviction, but I think they're going to leave a lot of room for an appeal for a straight drop, man. Get in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this. Y'all already know what it is. I'm Almighty the Ruler. Y'all the Ruler gang, man. Hit that like, share, and subscribe. Click that notification bell. Gang.